Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code. To install the Visual Studio Code application on your machine, first we need to download the file from the Chrome or any other browser if you like. I am using Chrome to download Visual Studio Code application. If you don't have Chrome on your machine, desktop or PC, or you don't know how to install it, no worry. I already made a video on this. To watch the video, you can find the link in the description or you can follow the arrow mark on the screen. Click on Start button and search for Chrome. Press enter. In search bar, type it as Visual Studio Code and press enter. Go to this first link. This site will automatically detect whether you are using Windows or Mac. If you are not using Windows, you can select whichever the OS you are using. I am using Windows, so I will go with this. Just press enter. It will start downloading. You need to click on this keep icon to start downloading. See, the file is downloading. You can hit Ctrl J on your keyboard to see the downloading files in new tab. Click on this arrow mark to see whether it is done or not. Just click on this. Just press OK. Press this accept button. Next. Keep this path location as it is. Default location. Click on next button. Next. Next. If you want to create a icon on the desktop, just click on this and press next and next install. And click on this finish button. So you can see the logo of the Visual Studio Code on my desktop. Just click on this. This is the interface of the Visual Studio Code. How it looks like when you open for the first time. And click on this. And if you want to create any folder or a file, just click on this file button and click on this new file to create a new file. And you can type the whichever the file name you want. So I will just type it as index.html and press enter. So it will ask for the location where you want to save this file. So I am selecting desktop as my location. You just need to press on this create file and it will create a file for you. And as you can see, it is available on my desktop screen. So if you want to install packages in Visual Studio Code to extend the functionality of the code editor, just press on this extensions icon and search for whichever the package you need to install. To show you how to install packages in Visual Studio Code, I am selecting this HTML boilerplate package and press on this install button to install this package. And after installing it is showing uninstall disabled. That means you already installed this package. So to use that boilerplate package, so after navigating to the index.html file, you just need to press HTML. So you can see below you can see that HTML5 boilerplate. Just click on this. It will create all the basic HTML code that you don't need to type again and again. You can just go and use it.